Hi there, this is Marshal from Modern Grammar. Normally, most of us do not like complaining, but sometimes we must do it to get a solution. So, in this video, I would like to teach you how to make a complaint politely. An effective complaint has three steps: explaining your problem, stating your feeling, and asking for action. The first step is explaining your problem. Imagine you are in a restaurant now, you feel very hungry. So you have ordered a food and you have been waiting there for more than an hour. But still now you are not get served. So in this situation you will be very angry, but here you want to explain your problem politely. How will you explain? Remember, never use impolite expression like hey come here or clicking your finger. Even don't say hey waiter or waitress because it seems to be impolite. It sounds like you are more important than them. So, always start a conversation with excuse me. Here are some useful expressions. Have a listen. Excuse me, I think you might have forgotten to bring my food. Excuse me, I'm sorry to say this, but I don't feel like a valued customer here. Excuse me, I don't want to make a scene here, but I'm not get served it. Okay, our next step is to say how you feel about the problem. This step is often not necessary, but it can be used on how bad the problem is, because for some problems we will get a quick solution, but in some other cases the problem will be extending over the period we couldn't bear it anymore. So in that kind of situation you are in the state to express your feeling. How will you express? Once again, I begin with the first step here. Have a listen. Excuse me, I'm sorry to say this, but I don't feel like a valued customer here. Actually, I have been waiting here for more than an hour. This is really unacceptable. Okay, our third step is to ask for solution. That means asking for action. Remember, in case of not getting solution from the worker or the employer, you can have your conversation with higher officials or managers. Here are some exchange. Could I please speak with the manager? Would you please redirect my call to the manager? The second expression can be used when you are talking over phone. But sometimes the listener itself can solve your problem themselves. So in such cases, you can use these expressions. Would it be possible to refund me? Is there any chance you could turn the heat up? Okay, these are the steps for effective complaining. Now, finally, let me put all the steps together. So please have a listen. Excuse me, I'm sorry to say this, but I don't feel like a valued customer here. Actually, I have been waiting here for more than an hour. This is really unacceptable. Could I speak with the manager? Or is there any chance you could turn the heat up? Okay, remember, not only in restaurant, you can use these expressions in all the situation or in all the places. Okay, I think you would have enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more video like this, please hit the subscribe button. I will see you in the next video with a new lesson. Thank you.